Thank you very much. Welcome back to Hot Hawaiian Nights. My name is Barry Flanagan. This is Kili'i Ho'omalu Kaniali'i. Together we're known as Hapa. We'd like to play a song, actually a segue of two songs of ours that were written in honor of the Princess Kaiulani. This first song was written with the help of the man that was just up here on our last song, Mr. Charles Ka'upu. Song entitled Nanivale o Kaiulani. Segued into a song of ours some of you have heard, I think, written with the help of Kiope Raymond on Maui called Leipikake.
Napu